All right, all you guys do is you plug it in and then you connect to Bluetooth. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're reviewing the C8 wireless FM transmitter. So these are really handy. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. So this is what's inside the package. So this one comes with a PD 20 watt charger and also a quick charge 3.0 for unplugging in devices. You also have a USB port right here, as well as channel selection. So what these, pretty much in short term, you plug this in your cigarette outlet in your vehicle, and then you go on your device and you connect to this Bluetooth. Once you're connected to this on your phone or MP3 player or whatever device you have, once you're connected to this, you then set a channel on your radio. So let's say 88.3. Okay, you select that channel. Now you go to that channel on your radio in your vehicle and it will play anything on your phone on that station. So for example, if you're playing music from a YouTube playlist or some other playlist, Amazon playlist, and you have it playing on your phone and you go to that station that you have this synced with, it will play it through your vehicle speakers like normal. So you're able to do that. These are very popular, and trust me, you guys definitely want this if you want to connect your phone to your vehicle. And again, it also works with phone calls, and that, check out your manual for more information. All right, all you guys do is you plug it in and then you connect to Bluetooth. All right, then you pick channel and then you select your channel on here. So for us, we're gonna go whole way down to 88, something that we normally wouldn't use. So we're going all the way to 88.3, and then you just let it go and it will register. And then you open your radio up to 88.3 or whatever you have it set. And then once you have that on, go under AM, go FM. Now we need to tune it. So we're just gonna go back here, 88.3. There we go. Now let's go ahead and load some music on our phone and see if it's working.
But when you're in the middle of a grind,
there we go.
Sometimes it feels like that grind is never going to end.
We got the video on our phone,
and then one day,
and it's playing on our radio.
For so many years.
So far, guys, I love it. Works great.
You're at the top of the mountain.